guys, let's cook chicken with tomatoes. We have tomatoes. This is onion, garlic, and chicken and vegetables.
Now, can you cut the onion?
Okay. It's hard to cut, Mama.
Make magic.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's make a flower. Heart. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's start to cook, guys. The ingredients is ready. Put the garlic in. Next, the onion and ginger. And then put the tomato. Next, put the chicken. Put water, salt, and black pepper. And cover. Put the eggplants in 8 minutes. Leave it for 8 minutes. Put the bok choy. Leave it for 3 minutes. And then our chicken with tomatoes gonna be done. Cover and leave it for 3 minutes. Our chicken is ready. Let's eat.